Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video we are going to learn how we can just create an account on OnlyFans. So for that we have to basically just click on our Chrome, and after that we have to search for OnlyFans on our Chrome. And once we are over here, you can see over here like there's a first option. You have to just click on that, and you can see over here that I have been just logged into OnlyFans. In order to just log into the OnlyFans, you have to just click on login with Google or login with Twitter. This is very simple. You can just create your account over here. You have to just click on login with Google, and once you're over here, you have to just click on account which you prefer over here. And you can see over here that your account has been just made over here. You have to just write few details over here. So you can see over here that my account has been just simply added to over here. So there is nothing very tricky about just making an account on OnlyFans. What you have to actually do, you have to just log into your Chrome, and you have to just write on onlyfans.com, and once you are over here, you have to just choose a preferable account, whether you want to log in with Twitter or log in with your Google account, and you have to just choose your preferable account. So that's all for this video. I hope this video was a great help to you. If you find this video helpful, please do share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day.